master data, then source list. See, here we have one T code ME01 is a maintain, and there is no creation or change, it's just a maintaining activity. ME03 is for display, and same as ME04 is for changes. How we have seen like what are changes happen. This is a report, there is only one report ME0M, we can see the list of source list for a respective material. Okay. See, source list maintain. Source list will have one material and plant. Initial screen, just go there. Here you can see respect to fields like valid from and to. From that source list is valid from which date to which date. We can give like 1 year. For which vendor you want to have this source list, you can select that vendor under your purchasing organization. Okay, for this vendor, what is your purchasing organization? Okay, and this not a means like who is the, what is the procurement plant, which plant you are going to procure. If you have any contract, fixed contract, that also we can give here. Yes. Here you can see the fixed indicator and blocked indicator. If you click this fixed indicator, that vendor will be as a fixed one. And second thing is this is MRP relevant field. When you use MRP, you will come to know like whether it is relevant to MRP or not relevant to MRP. Those things we can give here. Here for your simple understanding of a source list, what are the important fields? We have a valid from and valid to, and for which vendor, for which purchasing organization, and whether it is a fixed or blocked. These details we give here. Okay. And also there is a one more important thing is there, like whenever you want to create a source list, info record for that source list is a mandatory. Okay, for which vendor we have created the info record, for that vendor only we have to create a source list. Without info record, system won't allow you to create the okay. Without info record, system won't allow you to create a source list. Okay. These are the important fields like valid from, valid to for this vendor. Vendor is a fixed. Okay, that's it. Save. It changes also you can do in the same way, like what is the document field and all those things. Supplying and receiving plans are identical. Okay. If you want to give any details, if you want to change, for example, you want to keep it as an indicator, record relevant to MRP. Save. 03 is display. That's it. 04 changes the same way, like what changes we have done. See, we have changed the source list. Record relevant MRP, we have changed it from blank to 1. So this use of info record or this use of source list, you will come to know when we create PO and all. Now if I go directly to creation of PO and all, you may not understand what exactly the pre-PO creation and all. Just remember the uses of info record and uses of source list. When I explain the procurement activities, I will show you the importance of this info record, how price is coming from info record, and if you click block indicator in source list, how